First, choosing the right niche is crucial. Be sure to pick a topic you're genuinely passionate about with a substantial audience and high profit potential. Next, focus on creating high-quality, valuable content consistently. Whether it's blog posts, videos, podcasts, or any other format that resonates with your audience, consistency is key. Third, build a strong, professional, and user-friendly website or blog. Remember to optimize it for search engines to increase visibility and attract organic traffic. Understanding your audience is the fourth step. Know their needs, problems, and interests, and tailor your affiliate marketing efforts accordingly. Fifth, select profitable affiliate programs. Choose reputable ones that offer products or services relevant to your niche and have competitive commission rates. Sixth, diversify your income streams. This means promoting a variety of products and services to reduce reliance on a single affiliate program. Now, on to email marketing. Build an email list, nurture it, and use it to promote affiliate products, share valuable content, and build relationships with your audience. Social media promotion is also essential. Use these platforms to expand your reach, share your content, and engage with your audience. Investing in paid advertising can also be beneficial. Platforms like Facebook ads and Google ads can drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. And let's not forget about analytics and optimization. Regularly analyze your performance and optimize your strategies based on what works best for your audience. Building authority and trust is another vital step. Establish yourself as an authority in your niche and build a trusting relationship with your audience. Once you identify successful strategies, scale them. This might involve increasing your content output or expanding your advertising budget. And finally, stay updated. Affiliate marketing trends and algorithms change, so it's important to stay informed and adapt your strategies accordingly. Remember, achieving $100,000 per month income is not guaranteed and may take time. It requires dedication, continuous learning, and the ability to adapt to changes in the industry. Compliance with affiliate marketing regulations and ethical practices is also crucial for sustained success. So that's it. Your roadmap to potential earnings of $100,000 per month from affiliate marketing. It's not a guaranteed result, but with persistence, dedication, and strategic actions, you'll be well on your way.